So let's see what the SGX Nifty is suggesting, a bit of consolidation, but let's see how we start. Let's get you some more trading ideas in our segment Super 6, and then we'll come back in time for the pre-opening rates.
My first call is a buy call in Jet Airways. The RSI smoothened indicator has given a positive crossover from its oversold zone. Hence, we are expecting an up move in the stock in near term. One should buy this stock around yesterday's closing between 565 to 570 with a stop loss below 546 for target of 604 in short term.
I have a sell call on ACC. Not only is ACC overbought, it has reflected near-term weakness by posting a lower top, lower bottom on the intraday charts. The mechanical indicators on the intraday charts have turned negative, have signaled a sell, indicating the stock's intention to depreciate further from here. One can sell ACC at its closing of around 1604, stop loss of 1614, the target of 1584.
First up for today on the buy side is Godrej Consumer Products. It has been taking very strong support near the important moving average of 20 days. So this looks like forming a higher high and a higher low pattern, which indicates that short to medium term trend is on the upside. So one can create long positions on Godrej Consumer, keeping a stop loss of 1580 for the target level of 1730.
My second call is a buy call in Reliance Infra. Looking at the parabolic SIR, which has given a buy signal, and the RSI smoothened oscillator, which has given a positive crossover, we are expecting a breakout of the resistance, and the stock could move up to 588 in short term. Hence, one should buy the stock near yesterday's closing with stop loss below 538 and target of 588.
I have a buy call on Ajanta Pharma. The stock has given an upward bar reversal on the daily chart on higher volume. Mechanical indicators on the daily as well as the intraday charts have turned positive, have signaled a buy, indicating the stock's intention to appreciate further from here. One can buy Ajanta Pharma at its closing of around 1559, stop loss of 1549, a target of 1579.
Second call for today on the buy side is VIP Industries. Over past few days, we can see lot of action happening in the mid cap and the small cap space, and this stock is outperforming within the same space. So one can create long positions in VIP, keeping a stop loss of 115 for the target level of 133.